अरे नीचे से आना पाहिजे ना जरा
नीचे बैठे हो गया
लेफ्ट गिर गया
This is my car. This is my car from Australia. It is very expensive. And this car number is not in India. That's really a cool car. Even my car is very good. My uncle is bought from Japan. Let's have a race. I could make those toys and I could play with them. Hey, who are you? Why are you standing? Go from here. Who is that boy? That's my mate son. Why is he looking at us? Maybe he wants to join us. Let's give him a chance. No, we are not going to share a toy with this poor boy. You are planning to play with his boy to be fair at me. Don't play with him. He's not what you are expected. No, we are not going to share with him. He's mate son. He's not a bystander. No, brother, this is not good. Our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Inna Allah rafiqun yuhibbu rifqa fi amrihi." Allah is kind. He loves kindness to all matters. You are right, brother. Thank you, Jul. Stop me doing bad things. Let's play together.
मेन वाले
My